Good morning students. Again in lecture number 6 of construction we are going to discuss question number 3 and 5 of exercise 11.2. First of all we are taking question number 3. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. I think everybody is able to do this. This is, you open compass of width 3 centimeter. You draw a circle of radius, same concept which we are discussing up to now. You just see, this is the point, this point is center O of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from its center. You see students, some students they have problem in this statement. Extended diameter, you know, which passes through the center. You see, I am taking this scale at 7. The center I am taking at 7. You are seeing it. This is 7. I am taking it because diameter, the point P is 7 cm away from the center and Q is 7 cm away from this center O, and it is extended diameter. It means it passing through this. That's why I took this 7 at O center at point 7 here, and then I took this. This is point P, or this is at 14. This is point Q, and if I take this to this is 7 cm from 7 to 14, 7, and if I take this to this is 7 centimeter. So always remember this, we are to put this center at 7 so that we can get the directly extended diameter. This is the diameter from here to there, and extended means it is produced this side also and this side also, in such a way that the point P and Q are, this is, I am taking, you can take P here or here, it is up to you. If I take, this is point, if you say P here, P I am taking here, Q here, Q here, this OP is 7 centimeter and OQ is 7 centimeter. I think you understood now. We are to draw tangent to a circle, to this circle from this point P and Q. First of all, I am taking this point P. Already you know, this is center, this is exterior point, and our aim is to find the contact points. How to find the contact point? First of all, you join this, it is already joined. Then we draw the perpendicular bisector of this line segment. How to draw? We put your open more than half, open more than half, you can open and draw an arc from here O, draw an arc. The line arcs are not intersecting, you can extend this arc from here. We got this. This is O dash, and we, same question, you have to draw a circle whose radius is O dash O. You can open this and you can see O dash P, same because it is the midpoint of this OP. Can you draw this, a circle, the point of intersection where these two circles are intersecting, these are the contact points. You can take it as M, and this is N. Can you join this? We join this P, PM, and this is PN. You can draw the right In the same way you have to do this for this Q also. How? This is circle and Q is exterior point, and then you have to draw perpendicular bisector of OQ. You put your compass here, open more than half, then cut this, then this. From here you have to draw same way as you are done with the. Again we are getting center of another circle. We can write here O double dash or any other name you can give. This A you can give, there is no problem at all. Then you put your compass here and you can open up to O double dash Q to O double dash to O and draw a circle. What you get? You got it. M dash N dash. Then join this with this Q M dash and then Q N dash. I think you are able to understand. This was a circle. Extend diameters. The P and Q are the points which are 7 centimeter away and this 7 centimeter away. This we have taken. Then for this circle, you forget this. This is circle and this is exterior point. Then join the center to. Then we draw another circle by getting the center by drawing the perpendicular bisector of this OP. And these are the contact points. Then join this. Then we are able to get this. Another same way here. I think you are able to understand this question number 3. It is very easy, same concept of as question number 1. Now question number 5 also the same. You have to see, draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeter. As in the question it has been told, you have to do it. You have to draw a line segment. This is 8 and this is there. We can join this now. Then we get line segment AB. This is AB, 8 centimeter. Taking A as a center, you take A as a center and draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Now you take compass and open 4 centimeter. You have opened it. Put A, take as a center A and draw a circle. You see, this is a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Taking B as a center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeter. Now again you take compass, open this 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. Open, put, take B. This is a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of another. Means we are to draw tangents to this circle from the center of this circle. Means for this circle, this B is exterior point. And for this circle, A is exterior point. So you forget the same concept is there to draw a tangent to a circle from an external point. For this circle, this is an external point. First step is to join this to this, it is already joined. Now second step is we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this line segment joining this center to the external point. Now we have to draw perpendicular bisector, and in this perpendicular bisector, what precautions you have to have? You open more than half, you can draw this, and from here also you can draw this. You have drawn. Now you have to see this line will touch this circle. Is there any child who can tell me why? Because this circle is having radius 4 cm. This line segment is of length 8 cm total, and this circle is having radius 4 cm. That's why this bisector of this AB is go from the point where that is 4 cm. So it will touch only this. So you take it as O. This is the particular point where the teacher see. If a line, this bisector will intersect from the inside, it means it is wrong. It is away from this, then it is wrong. So it will go from here. So this point to be noted. So you put here as a center and open up to A, or you can see B and draw a circle. I think you are able to do it. And with this circle, you see, my dear students, you see you are getting all contact points. This is BP, you can take BQ, or M you can take, and this is also getting M, and this is you can take N. So if you join from B to P, B to P, this is contact point you have to see, and this is B to Q. You have to check it very properly that it is touching, not intersecting, not leaving. This is tangent. BP and BQ are the tangents to the circle of radius 4 cm. And from here, if you join it, AM and this AN these are the required tangents to a circle. I think students you are able to understand these questions. Up to now we have discussed 4 questions and all are of same type. We have to draw a tangent to a pair of tangents to a circle from an external point, and the same way it is given here also. For this circle of radius 4 cm, the external point, this center is external point, and for this circle, this is external point. Then we got the required tangents are BP and BQ, and then AM and AN. I think you are able to draw tangents to a circle from an external point. Thank you, and in next lecture we will discuss question number 4. Thank you.